Sat Sri Akal, which means howdy in Punjabi, right? Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Which is an appropriate greeting because today we're sampling some authentic Punjabi curries made right here in the Lone Star State. Texan food is known for barbecue, chicken fried steak, but for those that know, Texas has some of the best international food anywhere that doesn't require a plane ticket. Example, Curry Girl out of Corinth, Texas. This company makes authentic Punjabi curry sauces with real ingredients and zero chemical preservatives. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's delicious. And all you need are a couple simple kitchen items to bring authentic Punjabi flavors right into your home. So Curry Girl is indeed a Go Texan partner, certified by the Texas Department of Agriculture as a real deal made in Texas company. I tell you, Texans, we can make anything here, even Punjabi curries. All right, so we have 3 of Curry Girl sauces here. We have classic Tikka Masala, we have spicy Tikka Masala, and then we have her signature mild curry sauce right here. So a couple items for education and clarification before we get started. What is curry? What curry is a combination of different spices that's featured prominently in Asian cuisine. You got Indian curries, you got Thai curries, and you got Punjabi curries. What is Punjab curry? So it's a curry from the Punjab region, which stretches between northern India and eastern Pakistan. You learn something new every time you watch the Texan Table. Let's make some curry. What are we feeling like? I already know the answer.
I mean, I would say spicy, but...
Spicy, we're going spicy. And then we're gonna do the curry sauce. So you can use whatever protein you want. You can make tikka masala with beef, you can make it with chicken. It's delicious with like zucchini, squash, and onions, but I have some white meat chicken here, which will get this party started. All right, I got some olive oil from Texas Olive Ranch for the bottom of these. Then in goes the chicken. Browning up some chicken. And now that we're done with raw chicken, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Oh, the smell of sizzling meat. Delicious. For the spicy tikka masala, saute 4 pounds of meat or vegetables and then add the entire jar. I got 1 pound of meat in here. This is a 16 ounce jar. So you got 2 cups of sauce in there. I need a quarter of that. Is my math right? I need a half a cup. Oh, that smells really good. Yeah, look at that. Woo! And then you need about 3 ounces of this can of coconut milk. Oh man, as soon as that hit, did you smell that? Did you smell that? Ooh, that is some magic stuff going on right now. Oh, cover it up, let it do its thing. Now, it's time for some curry sauce. So this one calls for 3 pounds of meat. I only have a pound, so I'm gonna use 1/3 of this jar. Instead of coconut milk, we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of water. I don't know why I was inspired with that. So. Set your timers. We gotta wait an hour. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, look at these. You can tell right away, like the different colors of them. We got the spicy tikka masala over here, and then we have the curry sauce over here. While I was waiting, I made up a little bit of rice. So this is basmati rice. If you know anything about Indian food, you know you use sort of a long grain white rice. Basmati rice is legit. All right, here we go. Chicken curry. You add the chicken, then you fish out a little bit of that extra sauce, you know what I mean? Spicy tikka masala. Oh yeah. The curry with no worry. And they recommended garnishing it with a little bit of chopped cilantro. I think I'll start with the less spicy one, just in case. Oh, dude, that is amazing. And it honestly tastes as good as or better than any Indian food I've had at restaurants. Oh, that was good. Wait, what's up? I know they call that mild, but if that's mild, uh-oh is right. Oh man, not good. Oh, that's just the right amount of heat. If you don't like spicy food, stay over here. But as a person who loves spicy food, woo, her so good. I'm loving this. All natural, no chemical preservatives, made in Texas. That's all the better. So if you want to order some of your own, you can do that at shopcurrygirl.com. If you want to learn more about the Go Texan program, go to gotexan.org. Adios and curry on. You gotta try some of this, Daniel. Where are you going? Which one are you doing?
I'm going for the spicy.
You go straight away?
Oh, let's do it.
Straight away? Okay.